In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom instructions in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Custom instructions are a fantastic feature that allows you to have more control over how ChatGPT responds to you, aligning its behavior with your preferences. So, let's dive right in. To start things off, you'll need to open ChatGPT in your browser or, if you prefer, on your app. Once you're in and looking at the main screen, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the settings area. Depending on the version you're using, this might mean tapping your profile icon, or perhaps the menu button first. Don't worry, it's all pretty intuitive. Once you've clicked on Settings, keep an eye out for the Personalization section. This is your gateway to customizing the experience. Here you'll find all the options that can help ChatGPT better respond to your needs. Inside this personalization area, you should see an option labeled Custom Instructions. Go ahead and click or tap that option to bring it into view. This is the exciting part. The Custom Instructions section is where you can explicitly share what you want in terms of responses. Perhaps you have a preferred tone. Do you want ChatGPT to be friendly and casual, or do you prefer something more formal? Also, consider any relevant background details that might help ChatGPT provide better answers. For example, you might want to specify if you want short, succinct answers, or if detailed explanations are more your style. You could also ask for lists or step-by-step instructions if that's what works better for you. Remember, sharing specific preferences will lead to responses that are tailored just how you like them. When the Custom Instructions box opens up, you'll find a couple of fields waiting for your input. This is your chance to be specific about what you want ChatGPT to know about you. Feel free to include your name, your role, and what your goals are. For instance, if you're using ChatGPT primarily for work, you may wish to tell it to keep its responses professional and concise. On the other hand, if your aim is to learn something new, you might ask for simple explanations accompanied by examples. Let's say you're a content creator looking for engaging writing styles. You'd want to specify that you prefer creative and easy-to-read responses. Just remember, the clearer and more specific you are in this section, the more aligned the responses will be with your expectations. After you've written down your preferences, I suggest taking a moment to carefully review everything. It's important that what you wrote truly reflects what you want ChatGPT to deliver. One of the best parts about this feature is that it's not set in stone. You can come back and revise this whenever your needs change. Once you've checked everything and are satisfied, your next step is to hit that Save button. This final step applies your custom instructions to your account. After saving, ChatGPT will start using those instructions in all its future responses. This means you'll enjoy a more personalized and efficient experience going forward. Now, if at any point you wish to change or remove these instructions, it's as easy as pie. Just head back into Settings, navigate to Personalization, and edit the same section again. You have the flexibility to update just one line, rewrite everything, or even turn off custom instructions entirely if you decide they no longer suit you. So there you have it. That's how to use custom instructions in ChatGPT. It's quick, easy, and a fantastic way to ensure the answers you receive